Hello, my name is Peter Farber, and I am part of Gumblin Productions. Today I will be showing you an Ajax chat system that I made. Basically, what an Ajax chat system is it's just a chat. I mean, it's a chat that's real time, so you don't have to keep refreshing the page to see if there's any new messages. The chat will refresh by itself. It will not refresh the page. It will only refresh by sending in JavaScript to PHP and having the PHP send right back to the JavaScript and paste, like the JavaScript will actually paste the information without refreshing the page. So basically what I did is first I just created the basic layout of the page that it's going to look like. I'll show you what it's going to look like. It will look like this. This is the chat box. Then you have the spot to type your name, and then the message, and then you'll press send, and it will pop up in the box above. I will show you what it will actually look like. I haven't set this up to PHP or to my database, but I did to test it. But this is basically what it will look like. And then the second message, because every time you paste a message, it switches between classes. So the first message will be class A, the second message will be class B. So it's black, gray, and it will go down like that. It just adds style to it, and it's not really important. So yeah, that's basically what it's going to look like. What I've done is I've set this up to a style sheet in JavaScript page. The JavaScript page has the retrieve function, which gets the chat information from the database. And then I have the send, which sends the message and name to the database. Then these are connected to different PHP files, which actually run the function. The send gets the name and message from the JavaScript, and it creates variables, and then it clears the variable, like it makes the variable secure, so people aren't like uploading like hacking messages, not really hacking, but just cryptic messages that can fuck up your site. Or, that's a bad word, whatever. Anyway, so what this does is it will send information to the database using the MySQL query, insert into chat. So you have to make a table in your database called chat, and you have to give it ID, name, and message. Set ID to the I'll put this in the description, don't worry about it. This is the retrieve. Basically what it does is it gets all the information from the database and it orders it by ID, and then it will get the get chat information. It will get all the information, and then it will create variables using a while function. So it will get the name of every message, it will get the message of every message, and then it will display it. The order is what I explained to you before, how it has different style. The beginning order is A, so if the order is A, then it will switch to B, and if it's B, it will switch to A. So every other message will be a different style. And then I create the style sheet, and then the style sheet is just what the canvas looks like, and the canvas is where the message will display. And then we have the B and the A class, which is the what shows the message. How I start the JavaScript function is that when you first load the page, it will start the JavaScript function retrieve, and what that does is this will continually loop every 2 seconds. So we'll refresh the information on the chat every 2 seconds. You can change this number. This is 2000 milliseconds, which is 2 seconds. 1000 milliseconds, which is about 1 second. You can change it to 500, which is half a second. I would leave it around 2 seconds because you never know how slow someone else's computer is going to be. So you kind of want to prepare for the worst. And yeah, and then when you click the send button, it links to the send function, and the send function it gets the message from document.getElementID, and then it will get the name. So M stands for message, N stands for name, and then it will send the information to the PHP file. And that's basically it. I'll have the folder in the description that will have all the information and stuff. It will have all the files. You can just extract what you want from the files and make your own. That's basically it. Thank you.